Hey guys, what's going on? So, Merry Christmas. So it's 4 a.m. right now, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami. This is actually an origami flicker I just designed, and before I show you how it flies, I want to show you how to open it. So this is like a present box, check this out. So, you just pull the sides out like this. Just like that. And then it opens up like that, and then you just stick a gift in there. Yep. And for the cross, click on the card in the upper right hand corner. This is a new cross I just designed. Yep. So this is like a present box here. You can stick your gift in there. Close it up like this. Stick the flap inside the pockets. Alright. And now, it can be a nice flicker. Check this out. Oh! Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. So, let's begin white side up. And let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold and fold this point to the middle. And repeat on the side. Okay, then fold this point to here. Okay, and now fold to the nearest intersection. And so after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna head downstairs and open presents. And fold this point to here. And fold to the nearest intersection. Okay, and now fold this up on this crease. And fold this down like this. Okay. And now we're gonna fold this over like this. And we want this crease to align with this crease. And we're gonna fold right on the middle point. Like this. Alright? And then once you got it, and the way to know is to see that these two creases meet right here. Alright, make that fold sharp. And do that in the other direction. Alright, unfold. Okay, now we're going to form the container, or the envelope, so we're going to fold this on this crease. And now, we're going to fold this on this crease also, like this. And by the way, sorry if I sound a little funny right now. This is what I sound like when I get up at like 4 in the morning. I didn't really get any sleep last night, so yeah, that's why I feel kind of, tired like this. Okay, because I was excited for Christmas, so yeah. All right, so now we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it up in between these 2 points, and we want this point to align with this crease. And repeat on this side. You can fold this point to here. Okay? Like that. Alright. And now take this part and fold it down right over the edge. Alright, this. Okay, and this is actually the stage where you can put your gift inside, like this origami cross. And yeah, this is a new cross I just designed, and I'll probably teach this maybe next week or so. You can click right here for that video once it's done. Okay, so like this, and now I'm going to show you to close it. So to close it, just flatten it like this. Flatten it into a hexagon. Like this. Alright. Okay. And now, we're gonna stick these flaps into the pockets. So, take this point and fold it to here. We're just shortening the flaps because it makes it a little bit easier. Alright, now fold it up over the edge like that. And repeat on the side. Alright, and now open the pocket here. And tuck it in there like that. And repeat on this side. Did I pull it up? Okay, yeah, alright. And there it is. The model is done. Yep, so now it's in the closed position. This is like a really cool envelope. You can stick a bill in there, like money. Yep, and you can put it under your tree as a gift. Yep, and to open it, you kind of have to reach in here and pull that flap out, and unfold that, and repeat on this side also. Alright, and then you can open it up like this, and at this point you can see what your gift is. Yep. Yep, and that is how you wrap your gift in this model. Alright, so now I'm going to show you to turn it into a flicker by folding these two edges in. And I'm sure you already know how to do this, but just in case, let me just get that model out of there first, and then I'll show you. Alright, so to turn it into a flicker, put these flaps back inside to keep it in the closed position. Okay. And now find the two edges that are double like this. Alright. We're going to fold those inside, and we're just going to fold this up in between these 2 points. So we're making kind of like a curved fold. So we're just closing those edges up, off. Like this, that's all we're doing. Because on flickers, it's best to have one single folded edge all the way around. That way it doesn't pick up any air. Alright, and this is a double edge right here too, but that part doesn't matter, so you don't need to mess with that. And repeat on this side. Fold in between these 2 points. Oh, I feel so excited right now because it's Christmas Day. I just want to open my presents already. Alright, and here is the flicker. And maybe if you want, you can kind of give it some curvature. So it'll make it fly a little bit better, give it some elevation. Alright, I guess I'll show you how to flick it now. So you just hold it like this, and I'm going to flick on this edge that's double right here. I'm going to hold it, I'm going to just flick on that edge. You could flick on this edge too, but I think it's best to flick on this edge. Alright, let's see how this flies. Alright, so the fly thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna have the side of these two flaps that I folded down, and I'm gonna have the clean side on top. So here we go. I'm gonna flick on this edge that's double. Alright. It's a pretty good flicker too. Oh yeah, it really spins a lot in the air too, and I really like that. Oh yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you find it interesting and useful, and hope you enjoy flying it, and make sure you subscribe, and Merry Christmas.